How to get your drafts back on TikTok. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, move into your application TikTok. You need to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. Once the application is updated, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So here on my profile you can see that only 2 drafts are available. Some of my drafts are missing, so let's see how you can get back. First of all, you need to take the screenshot of this page. Once you have taken the screenshot, tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Scroll down and in the section of support, tap on report a problem. It will land you on this page. Once again scroll down and tap on videos and sounds. Here tap on drafts. The option of missing drafts will be visible to you. Tap on it. Here you gotta tap on no. Click on need more help. It will land you to the page where you can report a problem. Tap on this image icon. Select the screenshot that you have just taken before. The picture will start to upload. Once it is uploaded, here in this section you can write something like this. You can simply write please recover my missing drafts and then tap on submit. Well, the report has been successfully sent to the TikTok support. Now within 24 hours, the TikTok support will recognize your problem and will try to contact you, and you will be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to get your drafts back. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.